हाय हेलो अस्सलाम वालेकुम, मैं हूं ज़ीशान और आप सबको मेरा सलाम। So today's topic is based on the recent internet outburst about the elephant case of Malappuram. One second, is it Malappuram or Palakkad? But some of the news channel has showed it as Malappuram, some of the news media has showed it as Palakkad. My friends from the Kerala has been telling me that it's in Palakkad. Okay, so one thing is clear, it's in Palakkad. After this incident took place, or a killing of an elephant took place with stuffed crackers in a pineapple, all the celebrities started tweeting about this incident and ये सब लोग इतने गर्म हो गए थे कि ठीक है, एनिमल लाइफ शुड बी सेव्ड, वाइल्ड लाइफ शुड बी सेव्ड, ऑल दिस स्टफ केम इनटू बहुत सारे लोग। और इसके बीच में एक पॉलिटिकल एंगल भी डाला गया, कम्युनल एंगल भी डाला गया एंड एक स्टेट को ही बदनाम करने का एंगल भी डाला गया। ठीक है, ये सब हो गया। According to one of my friends' post I have seen, elephant died on 27th May, not on June. So let us come to the facts about this elephant incident. Kerala is one of the largest elephant reserves in all India. आप लोगों को कभी ऐसा लगा है कि क्यों दूसरे स्टेट में एलिफेंट रिजर्व्स नहीं है बट केरला पे है? Before naming a state, that to a Kerala, you should know it that केरला में जितना ग्रीनरी है ना उतना आपके दिल्ली में नहीं है भाई, उतना आपके बॉम्बे में भी नहीं है। आप लोग बॉम्बे और दिल्ली के एसी में बैठ के इतना सारा पोल्यूशन फिल्ड सिटी में बैठ के यू पीपल ट्वीट अबाउट वाइल्ड लाइफ एंड द एनिमल रिजर्व्स एंड ऑल दो स्टफ। स्टेट को ब्लेम करना पहले बंद कीजिए, बिकॉज केरला नेक्स्ट लेवल में है भाई, ग्रीनरी वाइल्ड लाइफ में नेक्स्ट लेवल में है। एंड ऑल द सेलेब्स आर मेकिंग इट एज अ नेशनल इशू। देयर इज लॉट मोर अदर नेशनल इश्यूज दैन दिस इंसिडेंट। Around like 80 people died on Shramik Trends, 200 laborers died, but no one cared about it, that human life doesn't matter. And to coming to the fact, the pregnant elephant was not fed with a pineapple filled with crackers. It ate the pineapple filled with crackers. The pineapple filled with crackers was kept for the wild boars. There is a terror about these wild boars over this place. The farmers have been attacked by these wild boars. They have been killed by these wild boars. Many wild elephants attack their villages, but no one cared about it. Forest department, as soon as they got to know about this, they rushed to rescue the elephant, but unfortunately all went in vain. No one did it by intentional. It is an incident, not an intentional method of killing an elephant. Anyways, everyone started saying that there is no humanity in Kerala. I mean, like, blaming a state for the humanity thing, you should watch yourselves. And one more thing, the pregnant elephant, no one knew that it was a pregnant elephant. Everyone got to know it was a pregnant after a postmortem. Until then, no one knew it was a pregnant. It is still unknown as to how and when the elephant got injured. You don't know the hardships of living in a place where your home is as well as your farmlands are under constant threat of wild animals. This area we are talking about is under constant threat of wild boars. Sitting in a AC cabin, you can tweet, but you cannot live with the wild animals. For the God's sake, it's a wild elephant and nobody is going to go and feed the elephant. Come on, take a pineapple filled with the crackers. If I see a wild elephant, I will run away for miles. What has happened is sad and tragic, but please keep your facts right. It's a loss for everyone. It's not a loss for you or me, it's loss for us. You cannot blame a state, you cannot blame a community. Come on, talking about the community, some of the political people have outraged their in a way of a political reason as of all. इस देश में जब भी कुछ होता है, either it becomes a political part or a communal part. Some of the tweets where I saw of some party tweeted that it is a Muslim dominated area and the killing of elephant is common. What do you mean by a Muslim dominated area? क्या आता है? मतलब एलिफेंट मारने का उसके पास तो ऑटोमेटिक स्किल होता है ना, मतलब एलिफेंट तो ऐसे ही मार सकते हैं, ऑटोमेटिक स्किल होता है, मतलब वो लोग पैदा ही होते हैं एलिफेंट मारने के लिए। Come on यार। Administration and their villagers have admitted their mistake and they are very sad about it. The whole state is sad about it, and they have given a proper cremation for the dead elephant. But no one wants to talk about it. And about this political part, इस देश में जब भी कुछ होता है, political बनाना ज़रूरी है, इसको communal way देना, communal angle दिखाना ज़रूरी है।
देखो, एक सच है, जो हमारे जो भी बुड्ढे हैं ना वो पूरी तरह चूतिया गए। जो भी 60+ बुड्ढे पागल हो गए।
Some of the tweets which I have seen is so cringe, man. I mean, like, इतना दिमाग कहाँ से आता है? First to the seasonal hate mongers to stop spreading hate to a state or a community based on whatever you like, whatever your selective topics are. You should have gone and see the COVID-19 results of Kerala, how they have tackled. Nobody is speaking about it. Why? Because it doesn't give you a publicity. State CM has put a tweet on it. It's a tragic incident in a Palakkad district. There should be improved measures to prevent the wild boars from attacking. Definitely now when we kill wild boars, it's okay. When an elephant dies eating the same pineapple, it's not okay. This is a selective thing. You have to decide it, whether you have to save a farmer's land, whether you have to save an elephant, whether you have to save a wild boar. An elephant dies, you cry. A wild boar dies, you don't cry. Most of the people have got the misinformation about the feeding of an elephant. Because of this whole drama and outrage happened. It was not fed. It is an incident. It is an incident. Take it as an incident. There are a lot of incidents happening in this country, man. Hundreds of humans died by last 2 or 3 months, but no one cared about it. No one showed a tweet on it. But unfortunately, humans are less considered than an elephant. That's a sad part. But this has to come to an end. The feeding pineapples, feeding crackers stuffed with the pineapples to any animal is a cruelty. This has to come to an end. The state has to look after that, and even the state has told that whoever behind this case will be booked up. But blaming a whole state or a community is not a right thing. No, definitely not in this case, because we have states in our nation where humans die every day, but through lynching, through killing, the murder cases. Come on, I don't want to speak about it. There's a lot of things happening all over India. Instead of highlighting those cases, you want some selective cases to be highlighted. That's good. Thank you. So, masalam. If you like this video, hit the like button. If you're new to the channel, subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. Take care, stay safe. Masalam.